Here we have a one-off to Army Surplus and Toys, some MTP gloves made exclusively for us. As you can see, we've got the double stitching over the important areas all across the palm. Now we'll start with the palm. The palm has no padding in, it's just reinforced, and it's a single sheet of extra suede to help you grip and to make it more comfortable. We've gone with one piece of suede all the way down each finger. That's to keep the comfort there, and once the suede's broken in slightly, it should be even more comfortable. We've got a nice thin band of elastic around the base, single strap, easy on, easy off, with a majority of the back made of the MTP or multicam pattern. We've had reinforcement across the backs of the fingers here and at the tips of the fingers. This should help for application on your webbing or airsoft weapon. It's also been nicely reinforced across the thumb too, so getting in and out your pouches should be easy, operating a gun should be easy, so general good overall easy use. Thank you very much for watching, and that's our MTP gloves.